Place a towel in the bottom of the shower to protect it from falling objects. First, remove the old shower head by turning it counterclockwise with an adjustable wrench. Remove the old shower arm when necessary. Next, slide on the escutcheon plate and wrap Teflon tape around both ends of the shower arm. Then screw the arm into the wall. Now, tuck the washer firmly inside the female threads of the shower head. Then thread onto the shower arm and tighten. Finally, turn the water on and check for leaks.